Hey Jonas, hey YouTube, Billy here, and today is our last day of the original packs that we have sent in from the viewers. We have a couple XYs and other ones we got sent in, but until we get some more of these, is the last one we're doing. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's move the first out of the way, just a holo, and check out what we got. An energy card. Energy. So a lot of psychics and some grass energy cards, which are always helpful. A Machop. A Skitty. Awesome. A Soul Rock. Next card is a Rhydon. A Delcatty. Next is a Groovil. Very cool. Next card is a Tangela. And a Tangrowth. These are always handy to have. Next we have a Trico. Cool. And a Lotad. Next card is a Cacnea. Very neat Pokemon. And our trainer is an Acrobike. And we got a potion. And our holo is a reverse Drillbur. Reverse holo Drillbur. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. Alright. Well, that concludes today's video. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.